Welcome to our deep dive into the X-37B Spaceplane, why it's critical for U.S. The X-37B, a robocraft by the United States, represents a significant leap in aerospace technology. This air and space vehicle allows researchers across the globe to conduct experiments in unique ways, even in orbit around Earth. Its classified nature fuels speculations, but its utility in collecting data and intelligence is undeniable, strengthening the U.S.'s strategic position. Maintaining global leadership in space, the X-37B ensures U.S. dominance in the new frontier, projecting power even beyond the Earth. As space becomes an essential area for national security, the X-37B serves as a vigilant sentinel, securing our interests. In conclusion, the X-37B is not just a craft, it's a symbol of the U.S.'s pioneering spirit, technological prowess, and strategic foresight.